Okay, folks, we have to do something about DJT, the so-called president of these United States, because obviously the Dems and the Republicans are not doing anything. They're just letting it ride out. I guess the Dems are waiting for 2026 and hoping that they'll get back in. But what difference are they going to make if they're not making a difference right now? Then they certainly will not make a difference in the midterms. And of course, the Republicans are not going to make a difference. They're happy with what's going on. And we need to, as the people, the taxpayers, the ones that are supposed to be represented in Congress, we've got to do something. I applaud what they're doing in Los Angeles, standing up, doing the right thing. And we need to do that throughout this country. We need a shutdown of this country. I'm talking about businesses don't go to work. Seriously. Because guess what? They're shutting us down anyway. They're shutting off all the programs. The taxes that we're paying are not coming back to our community. Do you know that? Are you waiting to feel that? By the time that you feel it, there will be little that can be done about it. We need to do something now, not a year from now, not a week from now. We need to make a decision about what we are going to do about this situation. The Revolutionary War was about taxation without representation. And we are at that place right now. So, folks, let's think about what we can do as we the people. And let's stand with the folks that are being deported. And the reason I'm saying that is whether you physically stand with them or whether you just let these people know that you are with them and you can't physically stand with them. I don't mind us supporting them from home. Whatever you can do to let this government know that's not going to work, because once they finish with those folks, guess who's next in line? He's not going to stop. He started with tariffs. Then they started with Doge, cutting our programs, cutting things that are assisting elderly persons like myself, things that are helping children who need food, cutting the SNAP programs, cutting health programs, cutting grants and loans. We ain't even, DEI, is gone, but it wasn't really assisting my folks anyway. So DEI is gone. Affirmative action is gone. He's trying to bring back segregation. None of this is scary. It's expected. But when you start calling out the Marines, when you start calling out the National Guard, who are young men and women from California, and telling them to turn on their own people, that's another level of terror that this president is bringing on our community. And that is my concern. So let's do something, make a decision, and stop it now. Stop it now. It's now